it's Mao from Sparkly Belly. In the last few years, many of you have noticed this trendy look of straps around the torso. These straps not only add sparkles to your belly, but also makes your torso look slimmer by creating this V shape. It's super easy to achieve this look, and I'm excited to share it with you in this tutorial. Let's get started. To make your own belly strap, you need fabric that matches your costume. And if you're planning to heavily decorate the strap, have some 1cm grosgrain ribbon. If you're just gluing on lightweight stones and something like that, then you can skip the ribbon. A pair of snap button or a hook and eye closure. First, put on the skirt that you want to attach the belly strap to and measure around your belly from the center of the waistband. It can sit anywhere below your natural waist. Cut a strap from your fabric like this. The width is 3.5 centimeters or 1 3/8 inches, and the length is your measurement around the torso plus 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Fold the strap right sides together and do a straight stitch with a 5mm or 1/4 inch seam allowance. And turn it inside out. I'm using a small safety pin here to do this. Then give it a good press. If you're decorating the strap with heavy decoration, cut ribbon into your torso measurement plus 3 centimeters or 1 1/4 inches and insert it through the strap. Then at ends, fold in 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch from the edges towards the wrong side. And do a top stitch, or I just stitched the ends by hand. On the wrong side of the skirt waistband, place one end of the strap using a 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance and hand stitch it there. Then sew a snap or hook on the right side of the other end of the strap. Try on your skirt and find a comfortable placement for the end of the strap and sew on the corresponding part there. And your belly strap is complete! It's a really easy project, and now you can go ahead and decorate the strap to match the costume. If you're worried that a thin strap like this can look tight and create bumps on your belly, try using a wide strip of stretch fabric. This gold strap is about 3 centimeters wide, and you can make it even wider. This will still create the nice V shape without looking or feeling tight. These are really just a couple of examples of what you can do with these straps. You can place the straps in completely different ways. Be creative. The only thing I don't recommend is attaching a strap from a bra top to a belt like this, for example. Your belt will be pulled with your chest movement and end up facing sideways. When you try creative placements, it's definitely a good idea to test before attaching your straps permanently. Oh, and if you're curious about this belly cover I'm wearing here, I have good news. I'm working on a brand new course featuring this belly cover and other types of body stocking options. If you want to make one for yourself, check out sparklybelly.com/bellycover. I hope you liked this belly strap tutorial, and if you did, please share it with your dance sisters. It's a really easy project, so grab some scrap fabric and give it a try. And if you're curious to try making more belly dance costuming bits, check out my free course, Belly Dance Costume Making 101 at sparklybelly.com/free course. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!